Hello everyone, and in today's video I think I'm going to show you my fire alarm collection. And this is in no particular order, it's just whatever I dig out of the bin. So we're going to start things off with my Simplex 4251-30. It's the break glass version of the 4251-20, so it has one set of contacts and this little hammer thing. Here's my 2099-9756 dual action T-bar. And we have my 4903-9219 mechanical horn strobe. It's 15 candela. And we have my Simplex 4906-9140 Smart Sync high intensity horn strobe. It's at 135 right now. 135 candela. This is my 4903-9236. This is with the earlier horn, and as you can tell by the screen sticker, it is 15 candela. Here we have my Simplex 2901-9838 horn strobe. No, horn. You can do this with it. And I was just doing Simplex, but this is my ESG Genesis ceiling mount speaker strobe, which looks like a fried egg, and I don't know what the model number is. I cannot remember it. And here we have one of my Firelight BG12s. This is the older one, and it's single action. It says it's dual action, but the dual action part's broken. And here we have my Spectral Alert Classic, the broken grill bar. This is a P1224MC. And we have my Wheelock HSR Exceeder horn strobe. We have my System Sensor CH24MC with the alert lettering. That's coming off. And here we have my Gentex GEC324WR. My school had these. And here we have my EST 757-3AT non-enhanced 30 candela integrity. Move this beanbag out of the way. Here we have my Siemens UMMT. It's a multi-tone 30 candela ceiling mount horn strobe with a broken grill bar because the plastic on this thing is not very good. And here we have my Wheelock 7002T-24. And it does the skipping, so I call it the 7002T-TET. HRL, nothing really special here. And we have my Potter SH1224. System Sensor SPSCR, my middle school has these. And Spectral Alert Classic ceiling mount speaker strobe, whose model number I cannot remember. Wheelock CH70. System Sensor MDL. And we have my True Alert. This is my 4903-9426 selectable True Alert. GCC 24WR, I believe. GCC 24WR. No, CR. Wheelock RSS 24 MCWFR. 34T24. No, 34T24. System Sensor P2RK. Outdoor Spectral Alert Advance. And my G1F HDVM. 4903-9254 selectable horn strobe. P2W. This is my Siemens UEC MCS. It's Faraday branded though, and I cannot remember what the Faraday model number is. This is my ESL 541NC SXT smoke detector with the sounder and a heat detector. This is my newer Firelight BG12, and this was actually my first device. Here we have my AMSICO SH24C 3075-110R. Gentex SHG 24-1575-WR. We have my P2RL, my Notifier LNG1R, my Wheelock E70 right here, my system sensor P2WL, SP1R ADA, SP1R 2475 ADA, my P2RH-LF, G1RFC Genesis Chime. This is my 4906-9127 True Alert. And we have my G1RF HDVM, and this was the first device that I collected, my first notification appliance. And this is my Wheelock HSWC ceiling mount horn strobe. And we have my 4905-9938 SCM for my SmartSync True Alerts. SW. And my LSTWNA Wheelock LED Exceeder. I also have some smoke alarms. We have these Kidde 0976 smoke detectors. I have 2 of these. Here's the other one. I also have the COSMB. Oh, and forgot my Edwards 278B pull station. 1110. I don't really like this thing that much. And I have 3 of these ESL universal relay modules, as well as my first alert. What's the model number on this thing? I don't know, but it's the Smile smoke detector, if you know what I'm talking about. So these are all my devices for now. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.